I'm back over here off of Arbor Vitae, and the Rent-A-Car Center is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tower cranes. A lot of development quickly taking place. So a lot of development now is quickly taking place on this facility. Yet to open in a few years. Take a close up here of some of these tower cranes. Maximum. So they've got these structures going up. Still not much going on here with the bridge going across Aviation. Still looking kind of the same here with the support structure for the people mover that'll be going across Aviation. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.